powerful motor and variable speed, with the 8-volt output, 2.0 Ah Lithium-ion battery. This rotary tool can generate strong and steady power, variable speed from 5,000 to 25,000 RPM, allowing for flexible adjustment of rotation speed. Note: please use the first, second, and third low-speed gears to trim your pet's nails. The fourth and fifth high-speed gears cannot be used to trim your pet's nails. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Cutting, with the appropriate cutting accessories. The Avid Power rotary tool can help users easily cut through metal, wood, plastic, ceramics, and other materials. Number 2. Carving, engraving. With the right accessories, this tool can help you accurately work on glass, wood, metal, plastic, mirror, and other materials with ease. Just use your imagination and make work on DIY craft. Number 3. Sanding, grinding, sharpening. Used for grinding on rough, sharpening and smoothing wood and fiberglass, removing rust from metal surfaces, shaping rubber surface, sanding bands, and so on. Number 4. Ergonomic design. Compact and lightweight body make it light and easy to handle for delicate tasks and finer work. Rubber-covered handle with anti-slip function provides a comfortable grip for better control. Number 5. Convenience and high performance. 4 front LED lights illuminate dark working spaces. Variable speed indicator and battery charging light allow for convenient use. Spindle lock allows easy and quick accessories change. Number 6. Versatile 60 pieces accessories. This rotary tool comes with 60 pieces accessories, which can be used to do all kinds of home projects or crafting jobs, such as grinding, cutting, sanding, carving, polishing, drilling, and more. Number 7. What would you get? 8 volts 2.0 Ah cordless rotary tool. Tool bag, 60 pieces accessories. Accessory case, battery charger, user manual, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.